tayong airplane story. Ay, hindi pala tayo gusto ko lang kasi magbakasyon. So, sa sea. Ay, 12 sa sea. Ito, 12 sa sea. Yan. Hello everyone. This is our captain speak. Welcome aboard flight 8196. We are currently flying in of 32,000 feet above sea level. The water look good, which means we will be arrive into time our destination. Feel free to explore the plane. So, kailangan muna natin mag-explore dito ng plane. Yan yung mga kabalitaan na ano. Gusto ko lang kasi magbakasyon kasi ang tikot sa bahay at wala akong magawa. Tandaan natin to. 9078. Yun ata yung ewan ko. Para sa ano ata yun eh. Dito ata sa mga bathroom. Okay. Hanapin mo doon. Now, please find your seat as we about to cross an area of high seat. 12C. Bilisan nyo, bawas kayo. Patay yun. Yun. Hanap niya na seat niya. At kami nakasit na general. OMG, ano nangyayari? General! Grabe ka naman, captain pala. Grabe naman magpatakbo. Thank you for your cooperation. Ay, Mickey Mouse, pwede na. Tayo ka na, nakabrace ka pa. Get ready as our crew prepares us next for everybody. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delicious sandwich. Mamaya ko kainin. Kapag nabawas na tayo, ibig sabihin, magpapalakas to sa ating katawan. Ang ating sandwich. Kaya mamaya ko to kakainin. Mamaya natin to kainin yung sandwich natin. Papalakas tayo ng katawan dito. I'm not feeling very well. Sabi ko na nga ba, yan na naman. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no. Quick. We need to find Ponso the grease package for medicine. Look in the package storage. Wala, mamamatay yan. Sa kabila. Wala, ayaw dito sa kabila. Wala, patay yan. Oh, Ponso, the great. We have to say to emergency room. Wala, namatay siya. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached an stable attitude. It be good time. Wow. Okay, so gabi na guys. Ito na lang kami. Good night passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We will still have a few hours to go. Ready? So let's go na guys. So alam ko na itong kwento. Kasi nakadalawa na akong laro nito. 2 wins na ako guys. So mamaya, may mga snakes dyan. Tapos pupunta tayo sa bathroom. Sa energy, hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look, what is that on the right wing? Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! You will not survive! Are those snakes? That's me. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Cute! Sumakat cute. May daga pa siya. Parang may mga snakes. Snakes. There's snakes! Snakies. Guys, there is an open restroom. Quick, we will be safe there. Yes! Yes. Uy, so na lahat tayo makasurvive. Mga iba. May mga iba. Punta na kayo dito. Makasurvive dapat tayo lahat. Ay, sa 5C ka. Ay, okay. Nakaligtas ata kami na. That was scary. We showed this the hack is happening. Tara, labas na tayo. Kinain nyo kami. Ito na at na magkanap dito ng vent eh. Yan, nabuksan nila. Okay. Hindi ko pa kinakain yung sandwich ko. Pwede pa ito mamaya. Power is back up. At tayo ay buhay pa. Pero yung mga ibasan na. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. 5. That creatures on the wings is also gone creepy. Your attention, passengers, have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is what are losing on oxygen must drop for office septic. Quick. No. Nancy mask. Yes. Lo, mamamatay siya. Meron ka na ba? Wala pa siya mamamatay yun. Yes. Kasi kami na kasama ka namin. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize on oxygen level. No. Uy, mali. Oh my God. What is this? No. It looked like a bomb. Oh no. Oh, bakit sakit pa? What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. If we find some sharp to cut the cables, we might be unable to save the people. Uy, ako na nga to. I found pairs. Which cable we got? I will cut the red. Blue. Oh, diba? Blue ka ng blue. We did it. Blue daw, blue. Gusto ata akong patayin nito. Blue, blue. We haven't heard a crew. While should look for them. Check in everything okay. I found them. They are conscious. We need to alert the captain. Quick, get to the captain room. Okay, nakuha niya. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, okay, na-open ko. This is the creature. Siya nga yung creature. You pay for what you've done. Wow. Sana all. Don't you think you are here on accepted, but you're not. I brought you here, all of you. Dalawa lang kami, that's all of you. All of you, all of you, all of us are dead. That is not possible. Tama siya. It's it. And now, it's time to die. No, no way, no, no way, no, 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 no way, no, no way. See you in the afterlife. See you then. Uy, no, no, no. Kailangan natin maghanap ng emergency. Bilis! Quick, 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 quick. No. Sir. The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What we are going to do? We need to find the autopilot button. Alam ko dito yun eh. Quick! Everything and find the button. Okay, wala dito. Dito yun. Lahat tayo mamamatay. Hindi pa natin nakuha yung button. I found the button! We did it. We saved the plane. It has been a very easy flight. I just want to be home already. Now we need to find emergency phone so we can call for help. We need help. Our captain ain't cautious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Everything is okay. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've trusted you location and we are talking control. There is one last task I have you for. Something needs to keep the plane on attack. Find some to sit the co-pilot seated. Kaya ako mauuna. Uy, nauna siya. Bakit? Hindi niya makita. Takpan natin. Buti nga sa'yo. So, ano yung natin itong putihin? Basta guys, huwag talaga kayo magbubuli ha. Huwag mo bubuli. Bad yun, nang bubuli. Di tayo nakita. Kainin natin itong sandwich. Si 12. Victory tayo. Naka-ilang ano na tayo. So, magka-upload ako. Ano naman. So, nagpansin nyo bago na yung umpisa natin. Kasi, challenge ko talaga. Kasi meron na. Kasi kailangan natin. So, kung gusto nyo pa maglaro tayo ng Airplane Story 2, comment nyo lang dyan. At lalaro tayo. Maglalaro tayo. Ayun na siya, oh. Sarapatan nyo natin. Kaya kung gusto nyo laruin natin itong Airplane 2, sige lang.